Controlling your shades with Crestron Home is simple and intuitive. In the app, go to the Rooms, pick your room, and look for the Shades tile. See this blue window? That means at least one shade in the living room is open. Need to open or close all the shades? Just tap these icons. Want more control? Tap the Shades tile for detailed options. Here, you can adjust shades individually or as a group. Tap Open or Close for all shades. Want to stop a shade mid-travel? Just hit Stop. You can also adjust them incrementally using the plus and minus buttons. Back on the living room screen, check out this Room Off button. Your integrator can program this to close all shades with one tap, or customize it to your needs. That's how easy it is to control your shades in Crestron Home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.